Engineering. Building a better future. With Stephen the Engineer. Welcome to our video on Mechatronics Engineering, a field at the intersection of mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering. Mechatronics engineers design and develop systems that incorporate electronics, mechanical components, and software to create new and innovative products. Mechatronics engineers use their knowledge of mechanics, electronics, and computer science to create a range of products. From self-driving cars and drones to robotics and industrial automation systems, they work on every aspect of the product development cycle, from design to testing and production. For example, self-driving cars use sensors and computer algorithms to make decisions in real time. Mechatronics engineers design and develop these sensors and algorithms, integrating them with the mechanical components of the car to create a fully functional autonomous vehicle. Mechatronics engineering also involves testing and troubleshooting complex systems to ensure they meet performance and safety standards. Engineers must have a deep understanding of both hardware and software to diagnose and fix problems. Mechatronics engineers also work in manufacturing and industrial settings, designing and optimizing systems for increased efficiency and productivity. For example, they might design a system that uses sensors to monitor and adjust production processes in real time. To become a mechatronics engineer, you will need to have a strong foundation in math and physics and computer science. You will also need to have excellent problem-solving skills and be able to work collaboratively with other engineers and technicians. Mechatronics engineering programs typically include courses in mechanics, electronics, programming, and control systems. Many programs also offer hands-on experience through internships. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to mechatronics engineering. Hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons below and stay tuned for more videos on different branches of engineering. Thanks for watching.